Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never.
Good morning. Well, it's morning for me. As you can tell, I have been busy this morning, doing the school run and all of that stuff. I am home now, and the plan for today is to have a very productive day. I came in and put some washing out straight away because I don't know how long it's going to stay dry for today. It's kind of give a bit of a 50-50 chance of rain. And I have so much washing to do. The boys' bed covers as well, I want to get them done. So I need everything to dry. And this is the frustrating thing about this weather at the moment, isn't it? Nothing's drying. But yeah, I want to have like a really productive day today because I feel like I haven't lately. I feel like I've not been motivated to do much. I feel like, yeah, just not had the motivation. I'm also out all day tomorrow pretty much for the kids' sports day. So today is the day to get loads done before the weekend. And I've wrote my list. I was hoping that some H&M clothes would come today, but I've just had an email to say that they're delayed. So that's really annoying because I was going to film a H&M try-on haul as well today, but I don't know. I'm assuming it was like next day delivery, but it doesn't look like it's going to be today now, which is gutting. Yeah, there's a load of stuff for me to do in between the school hours. I have got some Tesco shopping coming in a minute. I've got such an itchy nose from hay fever. Yeah, I've got a very small Tesco shop because I didn't need that much, but my fridge needs a good clean and organised because everything has just been chucked in there lately and I have no idea what's in there. I don't know what needs eating, I don't know what dates are on things, and I hate it when it gets like that. So I'm going to sort that out before the Tesco shop comes in about half an hour. And I also need to sit and go through my emails. So fridge cleaning first, we'll get that done. And hopefully the Tesco shop will be here. And yeah, it honestly just makes me feel so much better when things are organised. I sat and did like my makeup drawer last night and I just feel so much better for it. And just like a couple of drawers that have got clothes in that I've just been shoving stuff in. And just went through them and automatically just feel that little bit more like I've got my life together. But yeah, I'm gonna get the fridge done so that we can restock it with any new stuff that I've got today, just a small Tesco order. So when I say I have just chucked things in here, I really mean it. I have literally just been throwing things in the fridge, so this needs some serious organisation. That is shocking. Shoved in all over the place, no organisation, don't know what needs eating, which is bad because then it leads to more waste, which I don't want. So I'll be glad when this is done.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Right, I'm gonna give it a good clean now. There's always beer in my fridge that is just there all the time and never gets drank, but it's there just in case I ever do want one, but I'm just gonna leave that there.
You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately,
Right, that is much better for when the new stuff comes in. It's amazing how much I haven't actually thrown away. It looks like I've thrown away loads, but when you take away packagings of things, and sort of condense it down and organise it, it looks much better. I know what I've got now. So currently Dylan and Archie's room is being decorated. It's an absolute mess. I've got loads of things like this to sort out. But what I'm going to do now, because I'm still waiting on this Tesco shopping, is I'm going to sort through these boxes. You know when things just get chucked in? All these little bits of things. I'm going to go through them, see what actually needs to be kept and what doesn't. And hopefully I can move those out the way and have this space clear. Because obviously with moving the room around, I've moved all the furniture around. I'm like, I need to reorganise loads of things. So I need to go through these, see what needs keeping and what needs chucking, especially whilst they're not here and they can't see me chucking any little bits of plastic things away that mainly Archie might decide he needs to have. So like I've said in this video and obviously various other videos, I am planning on doing a makeover for Dylan and Archie's bedroom. So I've started obviously, like I say, by moving all the furniture around. All the walls need repainting. It's going to have a bit more of a gamer theme, a bit more grown up. I will more than likely film it all and do a video on it. But yeah, it's just finding the time to do it all at the moment. But yeah, at the minute it's upside down. But hopefully when it's done, it will look really cool.
There we go. Anyway, take care of a lovely day.
And you?
God bless you.
Sun's out. That's something. I'm just overrun with stuff on here. I've got so much washing to get out and try and get dry, but all the other stuff's not dry yet, so I don't know what to do yet. I've got no room on the line, but we'll sort that out in a minute. I've just chucked all the shopping on here. Very small little top-up shop. This I thought was going to be a bigger bag, but I've been getting a lot of lemon sherbets because my little lemon stand over here, I keep this topped up with some little lemon sweets that the kids love, so I got another bag of them, but they're only it's only a little bag. Also got various chocolate chips to go in the baking drawer, and we've got some of these teddy face crisps that the kids like, grapes, pink ladies, which is everyone's favourite, strawberries. We've got a big massive chicken there, which I'll probably cook tonight because I've got bits that need to be used with that. Some pizzas. I just thought I'd try this because Toby loves chip shop curry sauce, and you can get something that's very similar in B&M, like in a tub, but I'm not going to B&M at the moment, so I thought I would try this Bisto curry sauce mix that, you know, he would have that instead of gravy, so we will see if he approves of that. These make me smile because they brought these back. So love a crunch corner anyway, but these are Mississippi mud pie ones. Just, I brought back such memories of being little and having one of them and just thinking it was a really fancy dessert. So we've got the Mississippi mud pie ones and the strawberry and chocolate orange balls. You have a little sneeze, Ruth? Something made you sneeze? Oh, got popcorn, some milk, some kitchen roll. I got some more of this bread that I love, and I got some brioche loaf because I want to make this breakfast idea that I've seen that I'm hoping I'll do over the weekend for the boys, like a French toast casserole. So I got some of that, so I'm going to have to try not to eat that before then because that looks very tempting to have French toast with. But yeah, I'm going to pop all this away now in my nice new clean fridge, and I need to make something to eat. I'm absolutely starving. I've not eaten yet today. plain looking lunch, but I've just done myself a sweet potato and some cottage cheese with some cherry tomatoes, which will just fill me up for a little bit. Probably want to eat again before I get the kids, but yeah, just what I fancied. And I did my sweet potato. I started it in the microwave for just a couple of minutes and then I finished it in the slow cooker. So it didn't take very long at all in the end. Well, as per usual, we're not running out of time today. I've just been sitting doing stuff on the laptop that's taken me longer than I wanted it to, which is always the way. But I'm just going to swap over any washing. Hopefully the boys' bed covers are dry now and I'll put them straight back on. And then any washing that's still wet, do a little bit of rotating. At this point, I've just got washing everywhere. Just got wet washing, clean washing, not really any dirty washing, but yeah, washing has taken over my day today. I haven't even done my bed covers yet either, I'm not doing them today. And it's already 1 o'clock, I think. I'm supposed to go for a run. I need to walk the dog. I'm gonna have to see if the kids will do that with me later. I want to hoover the stairs. I was gonna clean the kitchen. We've still got quite a few things to do. I need to sort of accept that anytime I open a laptop, that's always gonna take longer than I think it's gonna take. But hey ho. I was gonna hoover up, but then I got a phone call and I've been on the phone for like 45 minutes. So we're now on 2 o'clock, so even less of the day, but I'm gonna tidy Toby's bedroom. Yes, he does it himself, he's 12, he does do it himself, but I can't lie, I do like him coming home from school or from his dad's and he's got a nice tidy bedroom and him appreciating that he has got it all nice and tidy. So I'm going to very quickly dust everywhere, put his clothes away, and I need to put his bed covers on if all the sheets are dry now. They probably are actually, because the bottom sheet was on the line. And yeah, just get this room ticked off and all nice for him.
Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 and you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I know you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promised me your everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me.
So as well as giving Toby's room a quick tidy, I just about managed to find time to put the bunk bed covers on. I really hate doing this job. And does anybody else's child, well Dylan in particular, just seems to have so much stuff on his bed all the time. He's got different blankets, he's got teddies, books, there was an inflatable banana up there as well. But yeah, I hate doing the top bunk. I always feel like it's just such hard work. But yeah, once I had just changed their bedding, then it was time to go and pick them up.
Comes, they would fly over the house. That's why it's called like the Grim Reaper. No, not the Grim Reaper. That's why.
Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Starting now.
This is the mountain of washing to sort out. So I'm just going to sit and go through all of this. We've got tea in the oven. I still need to walk through, but we're getting there. We're getting it all ticked off. I hate putting washing away though. It's just like the final hurdle of the washing, but it's the worst one, isn't it, Rue? Well, you don't have to do anything, do you? You gonna help me? Absolutely not. You just want to go for a walk. So what I tend to do with the washing when I sort it out is I just put it all into piles for whoever it belongs to, and then I'll take it to each of the boys and they can help me put it away. Guys, we are running out of day. I have just made tea. We had like a bit of a mini roast in the end, obviously chicken and potatoes and things. I feel like any makeup I had on has fell off my face. But we're going to end the day with a little dog walk with Rudy. A little leg stretch to walk off all that food. And I might have to end up drawing a line under the day a little bit after walking Rudy, because I don't think I'm going to get much else done. It's probably going to be about 7 o'clock by the time I get back, and I'll just want to settle down with the kids then. But yeah, we're going to go out and walk Roo whilst it's nice. It's not raining, it's dry. A little bit chilly though. It might just be me because I'm always cold. But yeah, I'm going to get the kids to go get their shoes on and we'll head out.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here.
We actually ended up having the nicest little evening walk. It was exactly what everyone needed, I think. It was one of those where the kids really weren't that interested in going, but once we were out and about, everybody just loved it. We just went off the beaten track a little bit, and yeah, it was just a really nice evening to have a walk with the dog. But yeah, this is where I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I would love it if you came back again for my next video. Bye everyone.
It's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of